In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and hitting the search bar. Now type in DevCheck, like that, and download completely free app from Flartu developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. And then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!